In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WPForms spam submissions. If your WordPress forms are getting flooded with unwanted messages, fake leads, or bot submissions, don't worry. WPForms includes several built-in tools that can help reduce spam and keep your entries cleaner. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn on the right settings and add a few filters so your forms are better protected. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the form you want to edit in the WPForms builder. This is where you'll manage the specific anti-spam settings for that form. Opening the form directly is important because some protections can be configured on a form-by-form basis. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to Settings, then Spam Protection and Security. This section contains the main controls for blocking low-quality or automated submissions. Under the Anti-Spam section, make sure Enable Modern Anti-Spam Protection is toggled on. This is one of the easiest and most effective first steps because it helps stop spam bots without adding extra friction for real visitors. In many cases, this setting alone can make a noticeable difference. Next, go to the settings area where you'll find the CAPTCHA section and toggle on Enable Cloudflare Turnstile. This adds another layer of protection while still keeping the form user-friendly. Unlike some older CAPTCHA methods, Turnstile is designed to be less disruptive for legitimate users, which can help you reduce spam without hurting conversions. After that, return to the form builder and go back to Settings, then Spam Protection and Security. Scroll down until you reach the filtering section. This is where you can fine-tune how submissions are screened before they ever reach your inbox. Here, you can turn on the country filter if you want to block submissions from specific countries. This can be helpful if your business only serves certain regions and you consistently receive spam from places outside your target audience. You can also use the keyword filter to automatically reject entries that contain prohibited words or phrases. This is useful for catching repeated spam patterns, suspicious terms, or common junk content that shows up in your messages. Finally, go to WPForms in your WordPress sidebar, open Settings, and select the Me See tab. Under Delete Spam Entries, choose how often you want the system to remove spam submissions automatically. This helps keep your database cleaner and prevents spam entries from piling up over time. By enabling modern anti-spam protection, turning on Cloudflare Turnstile, using the built-in filters, and setting automatic cleanup, you can dramatically reduce WP Forms spam submissions and keep your forms much easier to manage.